This is getting really interesting. Google News today put out a headline about how a new diabetes drug may be a blockbuster. And the intriguing information inside the story is that this is not coming from a big pharmaceutical. How could it? I mean, these guys, big pharmaceuticals, have been slashing their family. You know, they've been sending their researchers, some very high researchers, with their walking papers. And, you know, these researchers were hired because of a lot of intellectual property they've been working on throughout their careers. These are career scientists. So what's going on? These guys, they're hitting the ground running. They're basically going out and pandering to investors that are like, yeah, we like what you're saying, and why didn't, you know, such and such big pharma bring this to market? And these researchers who, don't get me wrong, I'm sure everybody practices their professions with ethical grounding, or what was it? Moral something. Well, okay, neither here nor there. The fact is that these researchers know right from wrong, they know good from bad, but they've got a job to do, and they work for Big Pharma. So Big Pharma says, this is what we want, and this is what you're going to do. Hence, I go back to that whole why are statins $100 for a month's prescription when it costs them pennies on the dollar to make them? Because they have to run these research studies, and they have to prove what they need to prove to market or to match the marketing they plan to use to sell the product. So, yeah, here's what's going on. It's refreshing to see that the little guy of Big Pharma isn't going to take it, and now the little guy is turning around, and the little guy knows all about Big Pharma. So little guy knows how to make the drugs that they should have made in the first place, but Big Pharma said, no, we don't see how that fits into our bottom line and our business model. But hey, looks like the game's getting very interesting, and that's why I suggest, you know, keep a lookout. If you want more, check out alliesvoice.com and subscribe for future blogcasts, or check me out on YouTube. Bye, guys.